So very good morning, students. Today in this class, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the topic business analytics. So what do you mean by business analytics? So kindly give me a second. Okay. What do you mean by business analytics? Business analytics is nothing but a combination of skills and technologies and practices. So that are used to examine the organization data. Okay, you all know in an organization there will be a vast data. Okay, what may be the data? The data may be related to marketing department. The data may be related to the finance department, or the data may be related to supply chain management or human resource department. Okay, whatever may be the data, every data will if you're analyzing all those data, you can come with some good story. Okay, it will be giving you some story. Okay, so through that insight, okay, through that analysis, and through that insights which you have gained through that analysis, as a analyst you can able to take some important business data driven decision through that analysis. Okay, which will be finally helping you to come with better business decision. Okay, so basically, the analyst can narrow down the larger data set, and he can only pick the important data set, and he can finally increase the revenue of his organization, the productivity and the efficiency of his organization. So this data, when used correctly, the business analyst can be leveraged to accurately. Okay, so you can use this kind of data analysis to accurately predict about the future event. What will happen in the future? So what may be the demand for the particular product? Okay, so and what may be the sales for that particular product? So in this way, through the analysis of your data, you can able to predict the future business and finally come with the business decision for your future. Okay, so which may be related to some of the business action, some of the business areas, such as you can learn about your consumer, or you can learn about your market trend. Okay, what may be the market trend in the future? Okay, what may be the taste and preferences of the customers? Okay, the customers taste and preference will not always be the same each and every day. It keep on changing. Okay, okay, so all these things, all this analysis, data analysis will be clearly helpful for you as an analyst to come with the better business decision for your future actions, to take some future better actions. Okay, so in the definition, some of the key terms or combination of skills, technologies, and practices. So what are those? So what you may think, what kind of skills that an analyst should have? What kind of technology that analyst should know about? What kind of practices he should have? So like a combination of skills, when I talk about the analyst skills, as analyst, you should know some of the advanced Excel knowledge. Okay, advanced Excel. You should have some advanced Excel knowledge, and then SQL, structured query language, and you should know Python, and you should have some statistical knowledge. Okay, you should know some of these statistical methods to analyze the data. Okay, and recent technologies which is related to this analysis is nothing but the artificial intelligence, different kind of machine learning algorithms, and advanced statistical knowledge. Everything you need to know about in order to analyze the data. So suppose, for example, you're having a retail company, and you can use some of the tools such as Microsoft Power BI in order to analyze the data. Basically, the Microsoft Power BI, through Microsoft Power BI, you can able to analyze the data and some come with some visualization. That visualization can able to help you to take some business data driven decision. Okay, so pictorial representation of data can be done with the help of the Microsoft Power BI, and some you can also able to apply some statistical methods by using by making use of this Microsoft Power BI. And finally, you can, and as a retail organization, you can analyze your sales data, and you can able to know about your customer behavior. And finally, you can also able to learn about the market trend. And another important keyword in the business analytic definition is examine the data and performance. You should, as an analyst, you should thoroughly examine your data and gather insight to increase your performance. Okay. So suppose you're having a marketing agency, you can able to examine your customer engagement. Okay. Okay. So how much they are engaged. Okay. What may be their social media engagement. Okay, in order to analyze this, you can analyze the data. Okay. And finally, you can able to come to know through which platform they are reaching you, whether they are reaching you through YouTube, or whether they are reaching you through Facebook, or they are reaching you through Instagram, or whether they are reaching you through LinkedIn. Okay, which is social media platform they are making use of in order to reach you, or in order to make some purchase. Okay. So basically, you can also able to find out what may be their interest, what may be their likes, what may be their focus. Okay. So what type of content they are highly attracted. Okay. So you basically, through your data analytics, you can identify all these things, and can easily, by identifying all these things, you can know about their taste preferences. Okay, if you know about their taste and preferences, you can easily customize, give them a customized product according to their requirement, according to their interest. And in this way, you can able to gather some insight about your audience, about your customers preferences, and tailor your strategies accordingly. You can tailor your strategies according to the requirement of your client, or requirement of your customers. That is the reason why you need to examine the data thoroughly and gather some insight, and totally, and finally, increase your efficiency. Okay, and you can tailor your strategy according to the requirement of your customer. And the next important keyword in the business analytics topic is data-driven decision. I frequently use the word data-driven decision. Why I'm telling this? Because you are making use of the data to make some decision. So it is not on some intuition. You're not taking decision on some intuition. You're taking decision logically. So how, what for that, what you are doing? You are basically analyzing the data. So simply, can you simply analyze the data? Definitely not. You should have some statistical knowledge to analyze the data. You should use some statistical method to analyze your data. So data-driven decision with the underlying the word, the statistical analysis. So an e-commerce company could analyze their website traffic data. So using what? Using some statistical techniques. Okay. So in your advanced level subjects, you can learn some of the statistical methods such as regression, t-test, correlation analysis, simple regression, logistic regressions. Okay, and many other advanced level of statistical techniques or methods will be used by the analyst to identify the business pattern and trend. Okay, so in e-commerce company, the analyst can able to find out the conversion rate, the bounce rate, and click-through rate, and finally he can able to make data-driven decision in order to optimize their business website layout and finally to improve the overall customer experience. So with this, I'm ending my session today. Have a great day.